How to uninstall HP printer software from your Mac. Uninstall HP Print driver and software from your Mac by following these steps. Step 1. Disconnect the printer from your Mac. Disconnect your printer from your Mac. If it is connected with a USB cable, remove the cable from the Mac. Step 2. Use HP Uninstaller. On your Mac, click Finder. Click Spotlight Search in the right corner of the Finder window and search for HP Uninstaller. If the HP Uninstaller appears in the search results, double-click it. Click Continue and enter your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstall. Once uninstallation is complete, restart your Mac. If the HP Uninstaller does not appear in the search results, continue to the next step. Step 3. Delete HP software manually. Click Spotlight Search in the right corner of the Finder window and search for HP. Select all apps and folders in the search results with HP or HP Smart in the name and drag them to the trash icon. In the menu bar, click Go, then select Go to Folder. Search for and open /library/printers. Note: there might also be HP software in the /library/application support and the /library/containers folders. Follow the same steps to remove this software as well. If there are any folders named HP or Hewlett-Packard, drag them to Trash. Right-click Trash and select Empty Trash to permanently delete the uninstalled files and recover disk space. Restart your Mac. HP Print drivers and software are no longer installed on your Mac. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.